This video is brought to you by the Step With Ja merchandise collection. I have spoken many times about the situation surrounding Jamaican vloggers and social media personnel, social commentators, and I've often stated, and I hold firm to the fact that you can build a platform, you can discuss the issues affecting the country in a way where you are not exposing yourself to be held liable for defamation or otherwise, and you can't get caught up in the thing and make your emotions carry you away, because at the end of the day, people will go at great lengths to protect their reputation. I have been doing this from 2016. I have addressed many issues affecting this country, talking about many people and them dealings and all of them something. One thing I never do is allow myself to get carried away or allow people to carry me away. We still do this something. We still call out who forget call out. What I don't do is get emotional about it, and in the absence of the hard cold facts is create things. So we not do that. We be fair to everybody, and we stick with the known facts. Mark you, that is going to get you less views. Your channel will not grow as fast, but that is fine. And because the space is competitive, in order for a man video do well on a particular topic, you must go above and beyond the truth many times. But me I say this to say, more Jamaicans are becoming litigious, and more Jamaicans are willing to go to the courts to seek redress when they feel aggrieved that their character and their reputation has been smeared and sullied, and besmirch is the word where the lawyers them use, and they have been quote unquote defamed. Many times, the video that these accusations are made in can't make nowhere close to the legal cost going to court, you know, brother, much less settlement, you know. So I have asked a question before me. I ask it. In the pursuit of, because some people claim them in the pursuit of justice. Many of them are not. Many of them are in the pursuit of money. That is the reality. Many of these videos can scratch the bucket when you become caught in legal troubles. Is it worth it? The people that will boots you up and I tell you to do this and I egg you on, are they now going to be responsible for paying you legal fees when these things reach you? For the people them who claim that they are in pursuit of justice and a better Jamaica, you don't have to stoop to fabrication and gossip to survive on YouTube. I am living testament to that family. You have many other channels out there who are thriving and they don't do these things. It can be done. It will probably take a little more time and the growth will probably be a little bit slower, but you will get there. You don't have to go wise up, because if you don't believe it yet, you're going to learn. We live in a democratic society and we are entitled to free speech. Of course, talk anything you want to talk. But no say, when you say certain things and you cannot prove it, you will have to pay for it. We have to be careful. I assure you, and again, you have some man where them not show them face. Showing your face means nothing really. It's just that there's no face. But if the law want to find you, them can't find you. Because if you feel like, say, the JCF reach out to YouTube or ask them for your information, if they're not going to give them, you make a sad mistake. You cannot come on YouTube and mix personal vendetta with the pursuit of justice. You have to pick one, else you're getting a problem. Somehow the wires will cross and you're going to run a problem. You have to be careful. You cannot allow the pursuit of $1 to cost you $1 million. That don't make no financial economic sense to me. So alright, you do a video. Even if the video get 100,000 views, how much money so you going to make off it? Because most of the time people at Jamaica are watching. And the CPM running not great like that. So how much money you can make off it? So? And the money that you make off it, is that even enough to retain a sensible lawyer? Just retain. Then that same video, is it now able to cover cost, legal cost, if you're not able to defend your case in court and you lose the case? Think about this something now. And also, the fan base that you have, are they so loyal? Even though them egg you on every day and tell you if it expose this and expose that and whatnot, are they willing to put their money where their mouths are? Are these people now going to work out the settlement and pay it for you. Think on these things. And whilst we talk about this, you see, you may feel, that you have the information to support your claim and you do the video. Then it is on you to go to court to put your case in front of the court. You understand? So if you feel that you have the information to support your claims and allegations, go to court, go defend it. Nothing wrong with that, So if you feel like you have the info to support them, by all means, do your video because of facts I work with. Nothing wrong with that, people. Don't get me wrong, So if a man feel like them have the info and they are confident that this information is facts and can be ventilated through the courts, by all means, if you're in pursuit of justice and truths and rights. Nothing wrong with that. Here is an opportunity for us to do some introspection, for us to look at our approach. We are all free to draw the conclusions that we draw about things, However, you have a platform of loyal followers who go and watch your videos. Yes, there are certain things. Just make sure that you are able to support it. Stop make people bootsing up. Stop make the pursuit of $1 cost you millions of dollars. Me not think that makes sense. There is a fine line that we have to tread. And me know some people right now are watching and say, yo, that big head boy I have to go to because them not talk about no truths. Me alright. Me very good with them. With what I do, I am at peace. You understand? Me not mind no boy. You understand? No, me never go take up how much money or give man we have more money than me already. Then where me forget it from? We have done videos that people have taken offense to. Many videos. But we're still there because at the end of the day, while you take offense, these videos are based on facts. But me not make enough money for paying a man legal fee and paying a man no settlement. Me not have that. Then you got the system and fight you because I'm export, brother. You can export people with facts. Because again, if you have the facts and you can go to court and you can say, here are the facts, this is what I base the video off, then you go win the case. Them have to go pay your legal costs. Or you counter sue some people. And then them have to go settle with you if you have the facts. But if not, don't get carried away. Stop make people boots, brother. Don't make the viewers and subscribers, the viewers and subscribers, them lead you down some path where you have to go. This video was brought to you by the limited edition Step With Your Merch collection. Get yours while stocks last. Links are in the description below.